Kia ora. Now that we've practiced our pronunciation quite a bit, I think it's time to move on to some words and phrases, starting with the things that most people know really well and might just need a little tweaking with their pronunciation. As you've probably got the impression already, I'm pretty adamant about pronunciation, at least moving along towards the best pronunciation that we can manage. And sometimes people just don't know because they haven't been taught. So let's just clarify some of this pronunciation, starting with greetings. So many people know about tēnā koe, tēnā kōrua, and tēnā koutou. So that is the formal way of introducing. This literally means that's you. It's a formal way of greeting somebody. So tēnā koe, so we're breaking up here. There's macrons on tēnā, so that means this is longer. Te, and it's the te, not the te. Tēnā koe, tēnā koe, which is, you know the song about that. Tēnā koe, hello to one. So this is tēnā koe, koe, koe. Tēnā kōrua, kōrua, and rua is two, so that's the easy way of remembering that one. Hello to two. And tēnā koutou. So this isn't really koutou, it's more koutou. It's quite tricky. Koutou. Tēnā koutou. Koutou. While you're getting used to it, you can just have the breaks and say tēnā koutou. Right, now, so this is the one that's very common. Kia ora. Kia ora literally means be well. Kia, like kia kaha, be strong. Kia tūpato, be careful. So this is kia, be, ora, well. Kia ora. And it's the way that we often say hello informally. And you could say kia ora kōrua, kia ora koutou for an informal greeting to two or more people. Kia ora. Most people, well, many people say ki ora. So they're missing out this, and there are actually no silent letters in Te Reo Māori, so there's no ever way that you would miss out this A. So it's either kia ora, or what normally happens with Māori speakers is they put this ao together, so it's kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, not kia ora or kia ora. Kia ora, because there are no silent letters. Another one that's relatively commonly mispronounced is the Māori word for morning, which is a transliteration of the English word morena. So morena. More has got the macron. Morena, morena. I hear some people say morena. So this is not rei or rei, it's re, re. Morena, morena, beautiful. Another way is to say good morning is ata Māori, ata, that's pretty easy, Māori, ata Māori, which is usually pretty well pronounced. But just be aware that if you see a Māori person whose name is spelled like this, their name might not be Marie. It might be Māori, particularly if it's rangi Māori. Ata Māori, and that is e because we're pronouncing each of those vowels separately and breaking up at the vowel. Now this one, I ran out of some letters, so I'll just borrow some from here. Okie dokie. So the farewell, which is often mispronounced, very often mispronounced, is ka, ki, te. So again, this isn't te, it's te. Ka, ki, te, ka, ki, te, ka, ki, te, ano. We'll see you soon. again. Ka kite. So try and when you're singing that song, make that stop quickly. Te, because it's not a macron and it's not te. Ka kite. So tēnā koe, tēnā korua, tēnā koutou. This was kia, kia ora or kia ora, morena, atamarie, ka kite ano, which is just shortened to ka kite. Ka kite.